plan down here is we supply all Upfit UTV, which is a Fox factory brand. We supply all the R&D and manufacturing for all the Upfit UTV parts. And then obviously our Granite Geiser Performance line of products, we design and manufacture in-house as well. And then now we have large-scale manufacturing abilities with all of our new equipment. We went from a 3,000 kilowatt laser to a 12,000 fully automated. And so we'll be able to, what we would normally be able to do in a week, now we can do in probably 4 or 5 hours in one day. So growth, right? The whole idea is the growth, and from you guys, we got the TubeLAZER, the plate laser, we have the combo laser, we have press brakes, material grain sanders, we have everything we need under one roof, and I don't have to outsource anything. Whether you're buying a $2 million machine or $200,000 machine, Crossover and their team has been the best that I have dealt with in any form of this business that I've been doing, especially when it comes to the lasers and everything. You think people have a really hard time with support and service and getting parts when you need, or consumables, and Chris and his team are on it 100% of the time. I think the longest we've ever been down is like 2 days, and that's unheard of in this industry. So I would 100% choose Crossover and any of the equipment that they offer before I even think about shopping anywhere else. I've been working with Chris and Crossover for 6-7 years now, and I will never defer. These guys are on it. They come in, they put the stuff together properly, they train us properly. They won't leave until they're comfortable with us running everything. And if we have any problems, they're there. Like 2 hours later, next day, plane flight. The customer service is second to none.